Mama once said to me, my child, straighten your life, walk true in mind. Hindi ako mananatili sa piling mo habang buhay. My time with you will slip away one day. She said, ayusin mo ang iyong landas at gawin. I won't be here through every joy and strife. Balang araw, anak, mawawala ko sa paningin mo, and you must stand strong all on your own too. Mama told me, prepare your way, because I won't be here every day. Ayusin mo ang buhay mo, anak, ayusin mo, for I will not always be with you. One day I'll be gone from your side, kaya magpakatatag, magkaroon ng pag-asa at dangal. Listen well, remember what I said. Mabuhay ng wasto habang nandyan pa ako. Her words were simple, heavy with love. Alam niyang darating ang araw na siya'y tatawid na sa itaas. I won't be with you all your days, kaya gawing marangal ang iyong pamumuhay. Though it hurts to hear that she must go, ang kanyang karunungan, pinakamahalaga regalo, to stand on my own when she's no longer near. Mabuhay ng may dangal at ingatan ang kanyang bilin. Mama said, ayusin mo ang buhay mo, anak, because one day I'll be gone after a while. But her love reminds, her words stay true. Gagabay ako sa'yo, saan ka man makarating.